Crypto Overview today, May 31st, 2026. The crypto market is in a rather sensitive phase as institutional capital flows weaken. ETFs record several outflows, and investors are closely monitoring geopolitical factors as well as U.S. interest rate policies. Bitcoin is currently fluctuating around $73,000, $74,000, while Ethereum holds above $2,000 key. Developments Bitcoin is trading around $73,000, $74,000. Ethereum maintains the psychological support zone of 2,000 total. Crypto market capitalization is approximately $2.6 trillion. Bitcoin dominance continues to be high, indicating that capital flows still favor BTC over altcoins. Notable market scenarios. Scenario 1. Bitcoin holds the $70,000 range, high probability. If BTC continues to hold above the $70,000, $72,000 support zone, capital may flow back into large cap coins such as Ethereum, Solana, XRP. Altcoins may experience technical rebounds of 10-20% to institutional. Investors will wait for ETF and Fed data before increasing their positions. Scenario 2. BTC breaks below $70,000. Risks to monitor. Some analysts believe the $70,000 range is currently a crucial support level. If this range is lost, altcoins may fall more sharply than BTC. Market liquidity continues to contract. Crypto ETFs may see further capital outflows. Today's top news highlights. Crypto ETFs continue to be the focus investors are watching. The possibility of more ETFs for XRP and other crypto assets. New developments from U.S. regulators regarding crypto ETFs. 2. Selling pressure from Bitcoin. Whale's on-chain data shows that the amount of BTC transferred to exchanges from large wallets is at its highest level since February, increasing short-term profit-taking pressure. Geopolitical tensions affect the market. Developments related to the Middle East and inflation risks are causing investors to reduce their risk appetite, negatively impacting crypto in the short term. Altcoins. Still weaker than Bitcoin. Many reports indicate that capital flows remain focused on BTC, while most altcoins have yet to see new growth momentum. Some experts believe the alt season hasn't truly begun. Coins to watch. This week, Coin Reasons. Bitcoin testing the 70-74K support zone. Ethereum waiting for ETF and DeFi inflows to return. XRP ETF news and Ripple activity. Solana, meme coin and AI ecosystem remains strong. Zcash, one of the few altcoins that have recently outperformed BTC short-term outlook. The current trend still leans towards a consolidation phase with strong volatility based on macroeconomic news. The $70,000 zone for Bitcoin is the most important milestone the market is watching. If this zone holds, the likelihood of a recovery in June will be higher. If the support zone is lost, downward pressure on altcoins may continue to expand. Short-term analysis, 180 minutes. Next 3 hours. For BTC, ETH, SOL, XRP analysis time frame. Intraday 15 MEM 1H. Focusing on the next 3-hour volatility amidst market pressure from risk-off sentiment and geopolitical tensions. Bitcoin currently, BTC is fluctuating around the $73,000, $74,000 range after the recent sharp decline. The market is closely monitoring the $72,000, $73,000 support zone. 80-minute scenario, bullish hold above $73,000, targets $74,500, $75,376. Zeros are bearish below $72,800, $72,000, $71,270. Zarn assessment, RSI, remains quite weak and MACD has not yet confirmed a strong reversal. Current probability, sideway, 50% further. Decline, 30% strong increase, 20% too. Ethereum ETH remained weaker than BTC throughout, may due to the lack of a real return of ETF and DeFi flows. 180-minute scenario bullish if ETH holds the 2,000-2,020 range. 2,080, 2,120, 2,150. Bearish if it falls below 2,001,950, 1,900, 1,850. Notable signals. ETH is currently still below several important EMAs. Why 2,000? The $2,000 mark is acting as a very strong psychological support line. Probability sideway, down 55% technical rebound, 30% breakout, up 15%. 3. Solana SOL is reacting more strongly than BTC due to higher volatility. Many recent reports consider the $85 region as a crucial support. 80-minute scenario bullish if it holds above $85, $88.90, 92 bearish if it falls below 82, 80, 78. Analysis SOL typically fluctuates about 1.52 times faster than BTC. If BTC rises, SOL is often the leading altcoin. If BTC falls, SOL usually falls more sharply than ETH. Probability slight increase, 35% sideway, 35% down, 30% for XRP. XRP is in a prolonged accumulation trend. Momentum indicators remain quite weak. 80-minute scenario bullish if above 140, 143 to 147, 150 bearish if below 130, 127 to 124, 120 key. Zone 140 to 140 is currently a very strong resistance zone for XRP. Probability sideway, 60% up, 20% down, 20% ranking of trading opportunities in the next 180 minutes. Opportunity coins BTC remains the market leader. SOL has the highest profit margin if BTC recovers. ETH is weaker than BTC and needs to hold above $2,000. XRP is still in an accumulation phase, unlikely to create a major wave immediately.